Hi, I'm Tom Smith, here to share how ASCE is working for you this month. It is our continued goal to help civil engineers advance their careers at all stages of their journey. But our changing profession demands that engineers must have good leadership skills along with professional skills. If you are a younger member, we have an exciting opportunity for you to develop your leadership and project management skills. Next month, we are hosting the Younger Member Leadership Symposium at ASCE headquarters in Reston, Virginia from August 15th through 17th. The 3-day experiential leadership workshop will include tours and special events to help you learn how to navigate your early career and achieve long-term success. You'll also get several opportunities to network with peers from a wide variety of backgrounds and disciplines. The YMLS is open to all ASCE younger members, age 35 and under. Standard registration for the event is open now until July the 31st. Learn more about the Younger Member Leadership Symposium at asce.org/communities/younger-members. We hope to see you there. Take care, everyone.